2017 Ford Escape Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 7. Weize Platinum H6 AGM Automotive Battery. Ignite your engine with unparalleled reliability using the Weize Platinum H6 AGM Automotive Battery. Engineered for peak performance, this 70Ah, 760cca powerhouse delivers robust starting power and an impressive 2x cycle life over conventional batteries, ensuring lasting durability. Perfect for luxury, high-performance, and stop-start vehicles, its advanced AGM technology effortlessly handles demanding electrical loads. Experience consistent starts in any climate, from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to superior heat and cold resistance. Its low self-discharge rate means your battery maintains charge longer, while enhanced safety features minimize leak risks. For a truly worry-free driving experience, ensure you verify dimensions and terminal placement for the perfect fit. Number 6. BCI 48 AGM Start-Stop Car Battery. Tired of constant battery worries? Meet the BCI 48 AGM Start-Stop Car Battery, engineered for today's demanding vehicles. This 12V70Ah powerhouse isn't just maintenance-free. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your car's start-stop system, helping you save an impressive 10% on gas and cut CO2 emissions by 20%. What truly sets it apart is its lightning-fast 40% quicker charging time compared to traditional SLA batteries, ensuring peak performance and readiness when you need it most. Our patented alloy offers superior corrosion resistance and a leak-proof design for unparalleled safety and durability. Say goodbye to acid top-ups and hello to reliable, efficient power, drive after drive. Number 5. BOSCH S6 Flat Plate AGM Battery. Experience true automotive freedom with the BOSCH S6 Flat Plate AGM Battery. This isn't just a battery, it's a commitment to effortless reliability. Its maintenance-free, spill-proof construction means you can truly set it and forget it, while enhanced charge acceptance guarantees faster recharging, even under extreme conditions. What does that mean for you? Consistent, dependable power when you need it most. Thanks to our advanced energy life technology, the S6 boasts up to double the lifespan of conventional batteries, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Plus, for ultimate peace of mind, it includes a generous 4-year free replacement warranty and complimentary roadside assistance. Drive with confidence. Drive with BOSCH. Number 4. Ford Escape Focus Positive Battery Cable Terminal. Restore your Ford's electrical integrity with our premium positive battery cable terminal. If your Ford Escape, 2013 to 2019, or Ford Focus, 2012 to 2018, is showing signs of electrical instability or stubborn starts, a corroded or degraded battery cable is often the culprit. This direct replacement for OEM part CV6 Z14300 ensures your vehicle's crucial electrical systems receive stable, consistent voltage and current, preventing common issues caused by faulty wiring. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it's engineered to meet original manufacturer specifications for a seamless fit and long-lasting reliability. Don't let a compromised connection affect your drive. Upgrade today for peace of mind and dependable power. Number 3. Pre-programmed Ford TPMS sensors. Upgrade your Ford safety with our pre-programmed TPMS sensors, custom-engineered for a perfect fit on popular models like the F-150, 2015 to 2024, Explorer, Escape, and Edge. These 315 MHz sensors arrive pre-programmed, eliminating complex initial setup and saving you valuable time. Equipped with automotive-grade S&P 739D chips and long-lasting Japanese batteries, expect precise tire data tracking for 5 to 8 years. While pre-programmed, a straightforward relearning operation with a diagnostic tool is still needed for vehicle synchronization. Every sensor undergoes rigorous testing for 100% fitment and dependable performance in any condition. Drive confidently, backed by our 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support, ensuring reliable tire pressure monitoring for miles to come. Number 2. Ford Focus C-Max Escape Negative Battery Cable Sensor. Experiencing erratic electrical behavior or starting issues in your Ford Focus, C-Max, or Escape? It might be time for a reliable replacement. Our negative battery cable sensor is engineered as a direct, OE spec match, replacing AV6 ZE10C679P, among others, for your 2012 to 2019 C-Max escape, focus, and transit connect. Crafted from premium copper and durable plastic, this sensor boasts exceptional stability and undergoes rigorous testing, guaranteeing the dependable performance your vehicle deserves. Forget complex repairs. Its plug-and-play design means simple installation without needing advanced vehicle knowledge. Restore your Ford's electrical integrity with a quality part built for longevity and peace of mind. Get back on the road with confidence. Number 1. Ford Key Fob Batteries. Don't let a dead key fob leave you stranded. Power up your Ford with RoamTech CR2450 batteries, specifically engineered for a wide range of models including the Bronco, F-Series, Edge, and Escape 2017-2025+. These premium CR2450 lithium powerhouses are built for endurance, ensuring your key fob operates reliably for extended periods without constant worry. Experience consistent power, whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold, thanks to their robust, impact-resistant design. You'll appreciate knowing your Ford is always accessible when you need it most. While perfect for your crucial key fob, their versatile nature also powers watches and other electronics. Just double-check your vehicle's compatibility, then enjoy uninterrupted convenience. So, that sums up my 2017 Ford Escape battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,